Just wait. All right, there we go. We'll come back. Okay, so we ran out of memory space there. So we're just picking right back up. Titus has already given a look, and he's pretty excited about it, but we'll let everybody else kind of see. So we got an Alakazam Spirit Link.
Please don't move that.
A Cottony.
A seal.
Seal. A Whimsir.
I don't know the name of it.
Fennekin.
I don't know the name of that shiny card.
Wait, just wait. Solosys. And we got a Mandibuzz.
And just this.
Just
No,
wait.
this- no.
Mandibuzz is a foil here, a 58 out of 124. So that's already a pretty cool foil. And then Titus wants to reveal this. What do you got there, bud? Whoa! Let's read the name. So out of this pack, we got a Kingdra. Oh, okay. Kingdra EX Full Art. Kingdra EX Full Art.
I was really happy.
I know, right? So let's go ahead. Let's give him the description. It's got, what's his first move called?
Big
Storm.
Big storm.
And what about the second move?
Dragon.
Trail. And again, this is card number 122 out of 124. Just wait, everybody wants to see it. It's a Kingdra EX Full Art. Nice, nice. That came out of the second pack.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey guys, you gotta believe me. Okay.
Okay, so this is the Charizard one, right?
This one has 7 cards in it.
All right, Ty is giving it the good luck shake there. Good luck wiggle. Oh. While he's opening that, hey Taco, what's up?
You. Yeah, Uncle. I heard Papa sneezing in there.
What's taking you so long, bud? You need help? Or you got it?
Why is it getting smaller and smaller?
All right, there it is. Now, bud, remember
Look at the cool one.
this guy. Bud, just take it out and then just do the last 3 to the front. 1, 2, 3. Put that to the front.
And then 4.
You're just gonna pull that. All right, so that's
You got
a
a breakthrough.
trainer card, Blastoise Spirit Link,
You got another breakthrough.
Switch.
You got another breakthrough.
Oh, the Machoke.
And we got Ultra Win.
What? There's this guy, Tangela.
You got another Ultra Win.
This guy just being. All right, Ponyta.
You got another Ultra Win.
Toadul.
Yeah.
I love these first gen Pokemons. They're the best. Let's see here. We got a Staryu,
Another cool one.
Seal, and another cool one. Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Oh, so we got a Poliwhirl foil. Okay, and then what's the last one?
Another cool one.
Nah, a Starmie. Alright, so go ahead and put that foil over there. We got 1 pack left. Make it good, bud. Does it sound
You
good?
heard something good in there.
Okay.
And it's not like. I'm very not deleting my channels.
Alright, ChooBird, let's see what you got.
I can see something rare.
You think something's rare? Okay.
I saw a shiny. Go to the back. Okay. A rare type.
We got a Pidgeot
My
Spirit
dad's
Link.
favorite Pokemon.
Oh, I wouldn't say he's my favorite.
Ooh, it's all glare shine.
So as you can see, he's watching other YouTube videos and he's memorized some of these terms. A ghastly. I like it. And here he goes cheating. Already looking ahead. Diglett. Rat-tat-ta.
Charmander.
Oh, we love the Charmander. We always love a Charmander. We put him in our Charmander pile over there. Got an energy card. You know, got a Vulpix foil over there. You didn't want
Got
to show
another
them?
one of these. Wow.
Slowbro EX, dude. I love Slowbro, dude.
You can keep that one then. It's your secret.
Okay, this is mine. Yeah, dude.
I have too much of those.
So here's a Slowbro
Guys, you remember
EX.
one of my old videos? Somewhere in here, I got one.
Okay.
And I'm so happy.
His move is, slack off and flash
I got
bash.
one again.
And it's got this little EX ruled on him. 26 out of 108. Did you find it? Where's the other one at?
Background.
Uh-oh, we're out of focus now. I moved a little bit. Now we're out of focus. It got into the dark light.
Where are you? Where are you, big fella? I can see you.
All right, so we're losing focus now. So
Where the heck is he? Oh, right
oh,
here.
there it is.
Wait.
So there it is. So we have two. Let's see. Yep, we have two of these slow bros. Titus always overreacting as always.
Oh, here you get the same one.
But
You
we
get
love
to
the
keep one.
we love the slow bros though. Slow bros are cool, so we got two of them.
You get to keep one.
All right, Daddy, we'll keep that one there. All right, so next week we'll do our last 10, which was the Pikachu 10.
Last 10. I hope we get something good in
So,
here.
yeah.
Wait, what do you think? Is it going to be a mega YouTube? A mega Bestros? A mega one of these? Or a mega this?
We'll see. So
There's no mega this. What is that from?
so comment below, right? What you guys think the hits are gonna be in that 10? You know, we like to read
Check my
everyone's comments.
subscribe.
Always subscribe and hit the like button. And
And
we'll see
always,
if we
if
can
you
get any
don't
more.
know, download the app.
Okay, yeah, and I guess, yeah, go download the app if you want to play it.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll have that for next week. So this is ChooBird and Daddy signing off, right? Say bye to everybody.
Bye.